Have you ever heard of an onion that practically plants itself? Egyptian onions, also known as walking onions, are one of the easiest and most fascinating edible plants you can grow. Instead of producing seeds, they form clusters of tiny bulbs called bulbils at the tops of their stalks. And as these bulbils get heavier, the stalk bends over and drops them onto the soil, where they root and grow into new plants. That's how they earn their name, walking onions. Egyptian onions are perennial vegetables, meaning you plant them just once but enjoy harvests for years. To get started, you can plant the bulbils or divisions in a sunny garden bed with well draining soil. Space them about 6 to 12 inches apart and plant them just deep enough to cover the base of the bulb. You don't have to bury them deeply. One of the reasons I love them so much is that once established, these onions are remarkably low maintenance. Water regularly during dry periods, especially in their first season, but avoid soggy soil. A layer of mulch helps conserve moisture and suppress weeds. In spring, the plants send up sturdy green shoots that can be harvested like green onions. As summer arrives, the tops of the stalks develop those clusters of tiny bulbs. You can leave them on the plant and enjoy watching the onions walk through your garden, or harvest them for replanting elsewhere, or even sharing with friends and family. Some gardeners even pickle them for a unique treat. One of the best things about Egyptian onions is that nearly every part of the plant is edible. Harvest the green leaves when they're young and tender, pull small underground bulbs for cooking, or collect those top-setting miniature bulbs. The flavor is stronger than green onions, but milder than storage onions, making them a versatile addition to your kitchen. Hardy, productive, and incredibly easy to grow, Egyptian onions are a fun crop for both beginner and experienced gardeners. I've planted them just once, but harvested them for well over a decade. If you grow Egyptian onions, let me know in the comments how they're doing for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening videos.